A man who claims to be leading without followers is just taking a walk. So it points to what you are saying, that people, the followers, need to do something. But Nigeria is a very peculiar situation. They have weaponized poverty that the masses, the followers, don't even have a voice to challenge or to rise up against their leaders. They have weaponized poverty, have subjugated the people to the extent that whatever a leader does is good. Even when leaders do what they are paid for, political leaders, I mean, while they're elected for the office, we see us clapping for them. Again, because of how our politicians have handled Nigeria, there is this theory of normalcy. What that means is that bad things start creeping incrementally and start accepting them as real things until they get to the extent that we felt is normal. So that's what has happened in Nigeria. And this was introduced by Nigerian leaders. The destruction of the medical facilities, healthcare, destruction of education. The education, that what happened right before me. You remember how private school started? Those days, when you attend private school, you are taken to be somebody who is below par. Private universities. It started with private nursery school, private secondary schools. Now we moved into private universities. Gradually, it was like, school will be on strike 1 week, 2 weeks, and so on. And they destroyed the system that people can't even talk again. It's now, how do we survive?